Hi, my name's Jodie, and I'm going to be showing you today how you manage your absences within School Spider. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to show you actually how the parents will request an absence. Now, this is going to work on the exact same way, regardless of whether you're on the desktop login, which you can see here, or whether you're on the mobile app. So the options on the left-hand side, you can see there's a new one that says Report Absence. All the parents are going to do is go to this list, which will show any accepted or pending absences that they've requested. They're going to press Report an Absence. And then if they've got more than one pupil, it's going to give them an option to drop down and select which pupil, and they can just click onto the individuals there. They've got a group of categories. So these categories are illness, grievance, COVID, or other. So they can select the relevant category, select the date. So if it's something that's going to span across multiple days, they can obviously select multiple days. If it's just one day event, they just select the day and it will just do it for that one day. And then here they're going to select the reason as to why they won't be in school today. Once they've done this, they're just going to press Send to School, and that's going to go directly to the school administration area. Now, as you can see, one here has been accepted, which shows it is green, and one is showing as in grey. And that's going to remain in grey until you as a school have actually authorised that attendance request. And if they click into it, you can see here, it just gives them a preview as to what they've requested, and they can also delete that if they've done any sort of error. Now, once you have your absence requests in, they're going to be initially on the dashboard as soon as you log in. So you can see here, there's now an absence request section. This will give you all the days that you've had absence request, and obviously you can see how many have requested it here. If you select this day, it's going to show you the day of absences, or you can select View All if you want to see multiple days. You can also access it via this Parents Area tab, and you've got an absence request section here. I'm just going to click into the day here. And as you can see, I've got some filter options to download a list of all the absences here, and I can also search. So as you can see, I've got pending. I can also look for accepted or rejected absences if I'm looking for past events. Now I've got two absences showing here. If I want to see the reason and I want to accept or reject them, I'm just going to click on the relevant person, and that's going to give you a breakdown as to what it is that they've requested and why that's been requested. And then you've got two options. You can either mark this as accepted, or you can reject it and put a reason as to why this has been rejected. Anything you put in here is obviously going to go direct to the parent, and they'll be able to see the reason why. You can also see that you can multi-select and create actions for multiple absence requests. So you could send a message if you needed to here, you can mark them all as accepted, or you could mark them all as rejected. Now, what I'm going to do is just mark this one as accepted and show you how the notification goes straight through to the parents. So you can see now that in the parent app, they've got a notification. If I just click into that notification, it shows me here that that absence has now been accepted. If it has been rejected, it obviously allows them to see the reason, and that will obviously not show as green. So that pretty much shows you how your parents are going to request the absences, how you're going to manage them once they do come in. But I also just want to show you a couple of things. So you'll see here that you've got the absence requests on this section, but you will also receive an email, which I'm going to pop up now. So this is what's going to go to the email address that's linked to the administration account. And then you can also access that absence by clicking Get directly, and it will take you to the main screen. And that's everything. So I've showed you there how parents can actually register an absence on the app or on the desktop login, and then how you as staff can manage those in School Spider. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can email us, call us, or contact us on the live chat.